I'm tearing up that target. This is sweet. This is sweet.
So you bought a gun for security. You invested your time in learning how to shoot and are learning everything about its specs and operation. What are you doing to secure your financial security? My 31-year-old cousin and I went to a gun range to talk about the security of having a gun, and afterwards to lunch to talk about the bigger picture of financial security. You're going to love what he has to say about the Glock 19 and what I have to say about investing in real estate. All right, let's head out to the gun range. First things first. All right, in all honesty, I only have a 12-gauge shotgun at home, but I have built a nice real estate and financial portfolio that permits me a lifetime of generational financial security. Mike is a seasoned and well-trained shooter, but at age 31, he's just starting his path to financial security.
So we're about to discuss real estate investment trusts, or better known as REITs, and also using a certified financial plan. Mike has already invested in a home but wants to do some investment properties, so I suggested a REIT. That's something that he can buy into for about $1,000 just to start, and that gives him real estate ownership. Now, he also has some questions about life insurance, and this is where I suggested he talk to a CFP because they'll be able to help him with life insurance, Roth IRAs. At 31, Mike is well aware that he has the greatest commodity, and that is time. He's not building for right now, but for his future. A future that, with the right investment decisions now and some financial stewardship, he can retire when he wants to and on his own terms. He's not going to be beholden to an employer. And if he decides to marry and he marries the right person, they can build wealth beyond his current dream. Okay, lunch is over. Let's get back to the gun range.
So today we shot the Glock 19, Staccato CS, the Glock Generation 4, SIG, P11, P211, and the best one that I shot, I would say in my opinion, without the bare doubt, was the Glock 19.
Wow, that was a lot of fun hanging out with Mike today at the gun range. I learned a lot about the different armaments, and I learned a lot about safety. But I also had a chance to share some of the wisdom that I've earned over the last 45 years or so about building a financial secure future. You know, at 31, Mike is well on his way to doing great things. He's already purchased his first house. I suggested that he should have bought, since he's single, a multi-unit building. He chose not to do that. He decided he wanted a house instead. So listen, there are ways around that. And that's why I suggested he look at the real estate investment trust, or REITs as we know, because you could purchase a multi-unit building as part of a portfolio. And it starts as little as $1,000. Certainly you can put in a lot more. Then in terms of his financial future, he currently has some annuities. He has an investment account. But I also suggested that, he talked to a certified financial planner, somebody who could guide him through all the steps, make sure he's not paying too much in taxes, and then make sure that he's maximizing his investments. And finally, if you're concerned about your financial future, I made a great video. It's right here. Please take a look. It talks about what you can do in 10 years to change your life. I also give you a plan. It gives you the shortcuts on what investments you can make right now, especially if you have just a tight budget. Or if you have more, you can certainly use it as well. But hey, if you enjoy the content of the show, I am trying to get to 11,000 subscribers. I need your help. I need you to subscribe. I need you to hit the notification button. I need you to watch my entire videos. I'd like to continue to do this, and I enjoy the videos, and I hope that you find them helpful. Anyway, again, thank you for watching today. I certainly appreciate it. And I look forward to releasing my very next video and you watching that as well. Thank you and have a great day.